Have you ever pondered the seemingly unlikely connection between the groceries in your shopping cart, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD, and mental health? It might seem like a stretch at first, but in reality, these things are more intertwined than you might think. Recent research has been exploring the complex relationship between ADHD, an often misunderstood mental health condition, and our daily tasks such as grocery shopping. ADHD, known for symptoms like impulsivity, hyperactivity, and difficulty with focus, can influence the way an individual interacts with their environment, including how they shop for groceries. A Huffington Post article from earlier this year highlighted that individuals with ADHD may struggle with food waste due to difficulties in executive functioning. ADHD can lead to hyperfixation, causing individuals to forget to eat and rely on convenient foods. Further, issues with object permanence make it difficult for people with ADHD to remember perishable items in their fridge. This leads to buying more than necessary, forgetting about perishable items, and consequently, increased food waste. Impulsivity, a common symptom of ADHD, can also impact grocery shopping habits. This impulsivity can lead to impulse buys and neglecting long-term consequences. The result? A fridge full of items that were appealing in the moment but might not fit into the week's meal plan or could go bad before they're used. So, how does this all tie back to mental health? Well, living with ADHD is not just about managing symptoms. It's about navigating a world that isn't always designed with ADHD in mind. The stress of managing food waste, impulse buys, and the overall process of grocery shopping can add to the mental load that individuals with ADHD carry, impacting their overall mental health. But there's hope. Strategies such as creating a shopping list and allowing for one impulse buy per trip can help manage these issues. Forgetting to repurchase items and buying in bulk can also contribute to food waste. Creating a master list and avoiding bulk purchases can help mitigate these problems. So the next time you find yourself wandering the grocery store aisles, remember that something as simple as grocery shopping can be a complex task for those dealing with ADHD. It's not just about what's in the cart, but also about the mental processes and health of the individual pushing it. In conclusion, the intricate relationship between grocery shopping, ADHD, and mental health highlights the importance of understanding and accommodating different mental health conditions in our daily lives. It's a testament to how even the most mundane tasks can be significant in the context of mental health. The more we understand, the better we can support and accommodate everyone in our society.